and talk about a different fabrication in the Anchors Away French Terry sweatshirt. It's $53.98. Your 3 easy payments here are $17.99. This was brand new, just launched.
Yesterday.
Oh, I'm about to say, I'm looking at the
style.
date. It did, just launched yesterday. Only order of the year on this one. So cute, this
So
little
cute.
sweatshirt. I am a big fan of shirts like this because I think they're simple, but then you give us that bam of bling in the middle. Like it's a bam of bling.
I agree.
Okay, here it is in the lipstick red. That's what the gorgeous Angela had on. She wears it in an extra large. She's 5'9". Love it in the white. And then, of course, dark navy. You got, I mean, it's an anchor. You have to have it in like a navy color. These are great.
Red, white, and blue.
Yes.
So fun. Perfect for the nautical season. This is great for that bridge season, you know, because not everybody's ready for capris and shorts yet, right? But a fun sweatshirt. Now, this is our French Terry.
Yes.
95% cotton, 5% spandex, but it's not lined on the inside. So it's just a little bit of a beefier fabric, but lots of stretch. It's really more of a sweatshirt in terms of shaping, with that collar at the neckline, with the cuffs at the sleeves, with that band at the bottom. So you have all of those details. So I don't want you to get this home and think this is going to be, you can wear it in minus 100 degrees in northern Minnesota next week.
Right.
No, okay. This is what you wear when it's cool in the evening, when you're at the water.
Right.
On a boat.
Yeah.
Maybe if you're taking a cruise. I know you love cruising.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Perfect
I'm
for
going on one
when
next
you're
year.
going to get ice cream
Already
at the end
planned.
of the night or something. You throw this on, really fun. The detail here all done in
love
stones
it.
and studs. Really
Stones
gorgeous.
and studs, the best. Isn't that so
It is.
pretty?
And all kissed on. So nothing itchy, scratchy underneath.
That's right, nothing.
So you have your
Show you
anchor,
this, look.
the ship's wheel, and the rope.
See?
Thank you for that.
Nothing right there. Beautiful.
Yeah.
You can machine wash this and tumble dry inside out too. So that's really beautiful. But look how gorgeous this is.
I just love this because we love the nautical season. You know, a lot of designers have their cruise collection.
They do.
Come out in January,
They do.
early February.
Yeah.
So this is like our kind of version.
You know what it
a little
is?
bit.
It's really saying, come on, summer. Because that's what happens. You know what I mean? Like this is saying, hello, summer, we're ready for you.
Yes.
So these are great. I think about exactly what you said. On the beach, you get that little bit of a breeze. You need something on, like if you happen to go on some type of boat or cruise ship or anything like that, it's always a breeze when you're on the ocean. So and it's that perfect transition. So it's really good to have a top like this home. And it's just so stinking cute.
It really is so stinking cute. And if I may, you know what? I'm going to take this. I just want to go over to the models real quick.
Okay.
Because
oh, and it has the matching pant, if you were wondering.
Yes.
And Angela has on the matching pant. I'll go with you.
One of the things that I love about having a sweatshirt available too is that you could just toss it over the shoulders. You know, the fireworks. If you like Longwood Gardens here, if you're there at night to see the fountain show, and you need a little something, you just throw that over for a pop of color. Would you do a little spin, my love? Oh. Just do a little spin, and then there you go. There's your anchor on the back.
Love it, love it.
Don't put it on the flip side. Don't show me the empty
That's
back.
right.
Show me the bling.
Yes, you want to see the bling.
Yes. Adore.
I love it. I love it. I'm a big fan of motifs like this, and I'm really a big fan of stones. Let me just be honest about it. So I feel like you can never wear too many rhinestones.
Yes.
That's just me. I kind of love them.
Agreed.
So the colors, they're all right here.
Yep.
Red, white, and blue. Literally, it's your red, white, and blue. And you can get the matching pant. Now, I say get the matching pant because then you just have a full-on outfit that you don't have to worry about. But you can obviously just get the sweatshirt if you want to get the sweatshirt.
Right.
Crystal looks so cute in it. It's almost like a tunic length because she's 5'3".
Yep.
So you see that she's getting a little length on that. So that's really good. But she has it on with the big deal jeans.
Yes.
So she looks great. Look at that. That white.
So good.
Yes.
It's so good.
Love the white. I'm loving the white. Okay, let me get back over here.
Thank you for letting me style.
Lipstick red, white, and dark navy are the official colors. So the length on the top, by the way, it's 27.5 inches to 33.5 inches. So you are getting a little bit more length on this one. And it's nice too, because you can, if you are, you know, a girl who's a little bit petite, it'll act more as a little bit of a tunic, which is nice too.
And for me, I like a sweatshirt to fit roomier, so I would go up.
You size up. Yeah, I do too.
That's me.
Yeah, I like to do that sometimes as well.
Angela's nodding her head in agreement.
Yeah.
She likes it too.
So now we're gonna talk about the pant.